The Northern Mountains. Yes, children, in this chapter we are going to study about Northern Mountains, or these Northern Mountains include the Himalayan and the Karakoram mountain ranges or Purvanchal hill ranges. And there is a fact. Do you know, children, before the Himalayas were formed, there was existed a sea. And what was the name of that? That was called the Tethys Sea. Okay, in the place of Himalayas, there was a sea, and that's name was Tethys Sea. Now let's talk about Himalayas. The Himalayas stretches from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Most peaks of Himalaya mountains remain snow covered throughout the year. And do you know, children, Mount Everest in the Himalayas is the highest peak in the world, or it lies on the border between Nepal and China. Do you know, children, Himalayas consist of three parallel ranges, or these three parallel ranges are: number one, the Greater Himalayas. This range is also known as Himadri in Hindi. Number two, this is the Middle Himalaya, also known as Himachal. And third one is the Outer Himalaya, also known as Shivalikas. Now get some knowledge about Greater Himalayas. The Greater Himalaya is in the extreme north. It is the highest of three ranges. It remains covered with snow throughout the year. Glaciers are found in these mountains. Do you know, children, what are these glaciers? A glacier is a slow moving river of ice and snow. So there are many glaciers found in this range. Many rivers such as Indus, Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra originate from these glaciers. Kanchenjunga is a very high peak in this range. Next, now we are going to study about the Middle Himalayas. The Middle Himalaya lies towards south of the Greater Himalayas. It is lower in height than the Greater Himalaya. The mountain slopes are covered with thick forests of pine, fir and deodar. Do you know what is this pine, fir and deodar? These are some variety of trees. These are found in this Middle Himalayan range. Hill stations such as Shimla, Nainital, Darjeeling, they are situated here. We people go to these hill stations in the time of summer, right? And we enjoy our summer holidays sometimes. Now let's talk about Outer Himalayas. The Outer Himalayas is located south of the Middle Himalayas. It is the lowest in height. This range is covered with forests. Many wild animals are found in these forests. Now let's talk about Karakoram Mountains. First of all, its location. So it is located to the northwest of the Himalayas. Beyond river Indus lies the Karakoram range. So this is the location to the northwest of Himalayas. Our children, Mount Godwin Austen, also known as K2, lies in this range. It is the highest peak in India and second highest peak in the world. Right, children? So here we have done discussion about Karakoram Mountains or K2. This is the highest peak in India.